Thaliya Wetuna, the most beautiful waterfalls in Sri Lanka. Thaliya Wetuna waterfall is one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the island. To reach this area, you have to travel passing Kandy towards the beautiful Meemred side. Then you reach Knuckles Forest Reserve, where you find this beautiful mountain range and the waterfalls in the area. One of those waterfalls is this Thaliya Wetuna. Total green trees surround it. The waterfall is about 50 meters high. This fall is also known as Alakola Alla. It is formed in tributary of the Hulu Ganga originating in the Knuckles mountain range. There is an interesting history for this name of the waterfall. It is said that this area was under a planter called Alan Collan during British era. The road towards Alakola Estate is situated right in front of the Hulu Ganga Bridge. You will find the footpath to the base of the pool when you travel about 3 kilometers along the road. There are some other mesmerizing waterfalls in this area which can be visited in a single trip. They are Huluganga Ella, Jodu Ella and Sari Ella. Enjoy the calming footage and subscribe for more videos in the future.